Thanks, Pamela. We're joined now by Susan Carr, and we are here to talk about the 9th annual Bridgeton Art and Wine Festival. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Well, thank you for having me.
You have art and you have wine. What could go wrong?
That's right.
I know. It's going to be a wonderful event. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yes, it will. It will be May the 14th, this Saturday, from 10 to 5. And we have very beautiful original artwork and lots of things to see. We've got different mediums of art: oil, pencil, jewelry, wooden bowls, wooden items, and pottery, a lot of different things, and a large variety. We also have a student art show.
Oh, okay.
And that is local students that enter their artwork, and there are ribbons and trophies for them. There is food available. All the shops will be open, and then the winery this year will be Buck Creek Winery. It's a very nice winery, and we hope everyone can come out and see us. That'll be May the 14th from 10 to 5. It will be in the 1878 barn, and all the shops will be open. So there's a lot going on.
Wonderful. And again, Bridgeton is just a gorgeous place to visit every time of the year, and also the bridge. People can come out and see the bridge as well.
That's right, and the historic area. There's a
will the mill be open as well?
The mill will be open. Collins General Store, the 1878 house, the 1878 barn, the 1822 log cabin, Old Country Store will be open, and the old covered bridge shop will be open, and the hen house, lots of shops open. We also want to say a special thank you to Arts Ileana and the Indiana Art Commission help us out with this.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's just a cool place to visit and go see. If you want something to do on Saturday, head up to Bridgeton and go to the Art and Wine Fair. It's from 10 to 5, and it is free. You can go check it out. If you'd like some more information, there's a phone number on your screen. As we take you to break, take another look at all that information. You're watching News 10 this morning on WTHI. We'll be right back.